Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
What are you watching?
I am watching a movie.
Do you like this book?
Yes, I like it.
Are you busy now?
No, I am free.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, take it.
Did you call me?
Yes, I did.
Why are you laughing?
Because it's funny.
Are you ready for school?
Yes, I am ready.
What are you reading?
I am reading a story.
Can you wait a minute?
Yes, no problem.
Do you need anything?
No, thank you.
Is this seat empty?
Yes, it is.
What are you looking for?
I am looking for my keys.
Did you understand?
Yes, I understood.
Can we go now?
Yes, let's go.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
What do you want to buy?
I want to buy shoes.
Did you enjoy the trip?
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, a little.
Would you like some juice?
Yes, please.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is cricket.
Can you hear me clearly? Yes, clearly. What is your dream?
I want to be successful.
Are you ready to leave?
Yes, I am ready.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, I locked it.
What are you smiling about?
I remembered something funny.
Can you explain this word?
Yes, I can explain it.
Is your work finished?
Yes, it's finished.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books.
Did you enjoy your day?
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Can you come here for a moment?
Yes, I am coming.
What is your favorite subject?
English is my favorite subject.
Shall we talk later?
Yes, sure.
Did you clean your room?
I have cleaned my room. Where is your bag? It is in my room.
Do you like this song?
Yes, it's nice. What are your plans for today? I will stay at home.
Can you open the door?
Yes, I can.
Is everything ready?
Yes, everything is ready.
Do you want some tea?
Yes, thank you.
Why are you late?
There was traffic.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, much better.
Can I sit next to you?
Yes, you can sit.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I will visit my friend.
Did you see my message?
Yes, I saw it.
Can you send it again?
Sure, I will send it.
Are you happy with your result?
Yes, I am very happy.
What did the teacher say?
She praised my work.
What would you like to drink?
I would like tea.
Can you show me your notebook?
Yes, here it is.
Are you coming with us?
Yes, I am coming.
What should we do now?
Let's start our work.
Do you remember my name?
Yes, I remember it.
Can I ask one more question?
Yes, go ahead.
What are you thinking about?
I am thinking about my studies.
Is the weather nice today?
Yes, it's very pleasant.
Did you bring your book?
Yes, I brought it.